Hey developers, sometimes in continuous development, you need to compare two files to see the difference. So in Visual Studio Code, you can easily do this. What you have to do, you have to copy the relative paths of both files. Like for example, I want to compare welcome.tsx and welcome main.tsx. So I will copy by Control K, Control Shift C, and I'll come on terminal. I will type code hyphen diff and paste the relative path. Then I will again go on Explorer and I will copy the relative path of the second file. I will paste on terminal. I will hit enter and you will see the difference between two files. So this is excellent. Please like the short and share and subscribe the channel. Thanks a lot guys.